Guangzhou Orio Technology Company Limited is located in Guangzhou, China. It is a manufacturing enterprise integrating R&D and innovation, intelligent production, operation and sales. Since 2018, it has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 and other management systems, passed RoHS EU certification and CE safety certification, and has obtained 4 national invention patents, 46 utility model patents and 17 appearance patents, and won the National High-Tech Enterprise, and won the honorary certification of Specialized, Refinement, Differential, Innovation Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises in 2023. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss customers' requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. The company has developed many leading products such as gravity roller shelf, intelligent shelves, automatic shelf pusher system, and intelligent cabinets etc., which have been widely used in beverage display cabinets, freezers, vending machines, supermarket shelves, brand displays, automated assembly lines, and other application scenarios. The company has 8 automated production lines, hardware workshop, injection molding workshop, acrylic workshop, UV printing workshop, aluminum profile workshop, mold processing center, etc. The full industry chain support enables ORIO to provide customers with the highest product quality, the best product prices, the fastest delivery capabilities and the most considerate services.